There are moments in life when silence says everything, when pressure, fear, and hope collide. That's where we find who we truly are. And this is the story of 9 students and one teacher who learned to breathe again. In a world that measures success through numbers and grades, somewhere inside this classroom, 9 hearts are breaking quietly.
Patahimik nyo ah. Parang may malig na hangin.
Sir, deadline po kasi ng thesis bukas.
Pero po kami quiz ng 3 subject, sabay-sabay lahat.
Minsan gusto ko na lang matulog ng isang buwan.
Alam ko yung pakiramdam na yan. Pero tandaan nyo, grades are not value.
Sir, paano kung na yung thesis ng iba?
Then prove them wrong. Start by being kind to yourself.
Pressure. It breaks some, but for others, it shapes strength they never knew they had.
Alam nyo, minsan parang gusto ko na lang maglaho.
Pero pag nandito tayo, mas okay.
Oo nga, dito lang ako nakakahinga ng totoo.
Ano nga ba mga pangarap nyo, guys? Magka-business sana, pero mukhang imposible na eh.
Gusto kong maging filmmaker pero natakot ako mabigo. Gusto kong matutong mahalin yung sarili ko kahit failed ako minsan.
Maybe we all just need to start trusting each other more.
And so, on that open ground, they found something rare, a quiet space where dreams were safe to speak aloud.
Hindi kasi nila nakikinig. Ako lagi sinisisi.
Hindi lang naman ikaw ang pagod, Ken. Wala nang teamwork, puro na lang init ng ulo.
Hey, what's going on here?
Sir, parang sumusunod na po kami.
Come on guys. Then rest. Pero huwag kayo sumuko. Pressure isn't your enemy. It's a reminder na may pinaglalaban kayo.
Sometimes, the loudest battles happen inside the heart, between giving up and holding on.
Write this down. If I had no fear, I would. That's it. No shame, no fear, just
And in that letters, they buried their fears and planted courage instead.
Hindi naman pala kailangan maging perfect para maging enough.
Tama. Ang kailangan lang, lumaban kahit mahina.
that's growth, and that's life.
Healing isn't loud. It's the quiet moment you finally tell yourself, I am enough.
Sa loob, no?
Parang nabunutan ng tinig.
This is your ground.
Remember class, carpe diem. Seize the day and choose yourself.
Carpe diem. Choose yourself, round of us.
Carpe diem. Choose yourself, round of us.
Carpe diem, choose yourself, round of us.
Carpe diem, choose yourself, ground 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 of us. Choose yourself, ground of us.
Carpe diem. Choose yourself, round of us.
O tila ba namamanhid na wala na akong nadarama, nakatulala, nakatingala, umiiyak, di lamang pinapalata. Patuloy na aking sarili upang malimot ang nakaraang mga nangyayari. Di na nanahimik sariling pag-iisip, may oras na walang imik, ikaw lang ang nasa isip. May mga tao